Hi, I'm Erica, an educator and a team member behind the development of Brick Lab STEAM Ventures. I'm here with you to give you a few tips about how you can care for your brick set. Brick Lab STEAM Ventures was developed to meet the unique educational needs of teachers and families today, whether learning takes place in school or at home. As the brick kit is meant to be on the go with the student, we recommend cleaning the bricks often. You have a few options. Clean the bricks with warm water and a mild dish soap. Make sure to rinse them well. Or, I like to just use my dishwasher. Add your usual detergent and place the bricks on the top rack. Pretty easy. Once you've washed the bricks, place them on a towel to dry. Turn them over as needed. If you'd like to speed up the process, use a fan, or place the towel outside in the sun. Teach and encourage students to care for their bricks. And those are your tips for sanitizing brick sets with Brick Lab STEAM Ventures. Remember that PCS designs with teachers and families in mind.